Hello everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I made cherry Clafoutis my way. It's delicious, I love it, and I'll show you how to make it. I was at the farmer's market and I spotted these huge cherries, so that's why I'm making this recipe today. And it's also, their cherries are in season too. I don't have a cherry pitter, I just cut it out like that. And it works perfect. 9-inch pie dish, it's deep dish. Now that's salted butter, you can use unsalted butter, but when you add brown sugar, that makes a caramel flavoring with the salted butter delicious. Take 3 eggs, add flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt. You can use spelt flour, you can use all-purpose, or even cake flour. All 3 work. You can use creme fraiche here, mascarpone or heavy cream. Once again, all 3 work. I tried them all. And I'm going to add some anise liqueur here. And surprisingly, it doesn't make it taste like licorice. It gives it an almondy flavor. I love it. And then let's take a break. 30-minute break to develop the gluten, and then come back and let's put everything together. By now the oven is preheated, and just put the cherries in the bottom. I like to make sure they're still in their cherry form and not deformed. And then when it comes out, it's going to be all puffy and hot, and it will deflate because it is a custard. And then just top it with powdered sugar, whipped cream, ice cream, a slight almondy anise. You don't really taste any licorice. I love it with the toffee bottom crust. Unforgettable. I hope you try this recipe and let me know if you do. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.